And you can also display a background map or a background satellite image by turning on the map. To turn the map on, it's down on the status bar. You can see here there's an icon, and when you toggle that on, it's going to display the background map. Now there's a couple of things for this to work before you can make it work, and the first thing is you have to have a Trimble Connect ID and logged into your Trimble Connect account. So if you haven't done so on your start page, you can see here that I'm logged in under my Trimble account. If you also look under your options, under external service profiles, you'll see that I have a Trimble Connect account. It's active and I'm signed in. So you can get to it a couple different ways, but if you first start on the start page, you go ahead and log in. If you don't have a Trimble Connect account, you'll be prompted to be able to create one. And once you do that, you'll be able to have access to this background map. Now you'll see here that it's a map, and as I zoom in and out, I can see more of the map in the area that I'm working in. And you also have to have a coordinate system assigned. So on this particular project, I've set up my coordinate system under my project settings, where I've gone in under coordinate system, and under my coordinate system, I've gone ahead and put in that I'm in Virginia State Plain South. So I can go to a coordinate system in a zone and select that, and I'll get a background map. Now, you can also see, as I zoom out, that if you go to your Project Explorer and you right click on the name of your project at the top here and go to project settings, not project settings, but go to properties. Under properties, you can see here that the background map is visible and that the type is Trimble Map View. If I select this drop down, I can switch it to the digital globe imagery, and what will happen is it'll reprocess and it'll display the imagery for this particular area. It may take a second to spend depending on your bandwidth speed and your internet, and that's the only thing you need to have is the internet capability or connectivity as well. So you can see here that is bringing in the background map of the digital image, and I can see my project site. I can digitize and look at areas of vegetation, areas that may need to be cleared. I can see here that there's a power line running through this area in here. So you can gather a lot of information by turning on and enabling this background map.